Money is one of the most essential aspects of our lives, yet it's also one of the least understood. Morgan Housel's book, The Psychology of Money, dives deep into how our attitudes, behaviors, and emotions influence our financial decisions. It's not just about numbers or investments, it's about psychology. In today's video, we'll explore the 15 lessons from this book that can transform the way you think about money. So, let's begin. Lesson 1. The role of luck and risk. Success in money often involves both luck and risk. Housel emphasizes that Bill Gates is a billionaire partly because he had access to one of the first computers in his high school. On the flip side, brilliant people like Bill Joy, who made smaller mistakes, lost out due to bad luck. The takeaway? Be humble about your successes and understanding of others' failures. Lesson 2. The power of compounding. Compounding is the secret weapon of wealth building. Housel uses Warren Buffett as an example, noting that Buffett's wealth didn't just come from great investment decisions, but from starting early and letting his money grow for decades. The key is patience. Let compounding work for you. Lesson 3. Stop chasing wealth. Many people fall into the trap of always wanting more. Housel stresses that knowing when to stop is crucial. True wealth is about having control over your time, not owning a fleet of luxury cars. Lesson 4. Freedom is the ultimate goal. What's the real purpose of money? According to Housel, it's freedom. The ability to do what you want, when you want, with whom you want. This perspective shifts the focus from accumulating riches to achieving personal independence. Lesson 5. Save not just to spend, but for options. Savings aren't just for emergencies. They give you flexibility and options in life. Whether it's switching careers, taking a break, or dealing with unforeseen challenges, savings empower you to make choices freely. Lesson 6. Beware of greed. Greed can ruin even the wealthiest individuals. Housel recounts stories of people who had it all but lost everything because they couldn't stop taking risks. The lesson? Understand the concept of enough and respect it. Lesson 7. Long-term thinking. Financial success requires a long-term perspective. Housel encourages readers to think in decades, not months or years. Short-term setbacks are just small bumps in a larger journey. Lesson 8. Control your ego. Living below your means is crucial, and controlling your ego helps with that. Housel explains that many people spend excessively to impress others, but real financial success comes from being modest and prudent. Lesson 9. The seduction of narratives. Humans love stories, but when it comes to money, these narratives can mislead us. For example, we often idolize rags to riches stories without considering the unique circumstances behind them. Always question the narrative before making decisions. Lesson 10. Invest in simplicity. Housel advises keeping your investments simple. Avoid complicated strategies and focus on steady, consistent growth over time. Index funds are a great example of this simplicity in action. Lesson 11. Adaptability is key. Financial plans should be flexible because life is unpredictable. Housel suggests preparing for the unexpected and being willing to adjust your goals as circumstances change. Lesson 12. Happiness and money. While money can buy comfort, it doesn't guarantee happiness. Housel highlights that happiness comes from intangible things like strong relationships and a sense of purpose, not just material wealth. Lesson 13. Be ready for surprises. Unexpected events, both good and bad, will happen. Instead of trying to predict them, focus on building a financial system that can withstand surprises. Lesson 14. Wealth versus richness. Being rich means having high income. Being wealthy means having assets that provide long-term security. Wealth is often invisible, like investments and savings. Prioritize building wealth over looking rich. Lesson 15. Small habits matter. Small, consistent actions with money, like saving a little every month, can lead to significant results over time. These habits compound, just like investments. Conclusion. The bigger picture. Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money isn't just about managing finances, it's about understanding yourself and your relationship with money. Success isn't about spreadsheets or stock tips. It's about mastering your mindset. Remember these lessons. Focus on long-term goals, be content with enough, and strive for financial independence. These principles can transform your life. Call to action. If you found these insights valuable, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content on personal finance and self-growth. Comment below with the lesson that resonated with you the most. Until next time, take control of your money and your life.